My daughter is going to do my makeup today. This was her idea, by the way, so it's not my, it's her idea. Come and say hello at least.
Hi.
You're going to stand there. Let's scoot.
I'm Rosina, as you all know. And I chose this idea because I felt like
You just felt like doing my makeup today.
yes.
Wow, she's going to do my makeup. And how much knowledge do you have of makeup?
It's a 50-50 chance, you know.
It could go either way.
Yes.
She's not really into makeup, so I'm very curious to see what she's going to do on my face. Do you want me to help you along the way?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, guys. That is what we're doing today, okay? Please subscribe. Subscribe for her. Subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it, right?
Bye.
So she insisted that she wants to start with the face before the eyes. Wow. Thank God I did my moisturizer and skin prep, so she's just doing primer. Okay, go ahead. Oh. My Lord Jesus Christ. Put it, Mama.
It's going to be a long day for you.
Yeah. Is that how you're going to Is that how you're going to blend? Oh my God. No, you tap. It's okay. You can tap. Oh! Hey, my Lord, pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Yeah, she's gonna poke me today, the whole of today. Oh my God. Guys, a makeup artist that I am teaching. Oh my Lord. Your foundation is just going to be here alone. What about the whole, this other side?
I'm gonna do it. Don't worry why there's a big blotch there. I'm going to fix it maybe later.
Today is going to be an interesting day, guys.
It's going to be fun. Is that too much?
No, keep going. Don't second guess yourself. Keep going. Oh, makeup artist is stepping on me. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Let me not be one of those clients who's always complaining.
You have one of those clients?
Many clients do complain a lot.
Why? Because of accidental stuff?
No, a lot of things, really. Sometimes you find very kind clients, sometimes not very kind. You know.
So which type of clients would you say are the best?
The kind ones, and then the ones who trust you to just do your job. Because when they trust you, it gives you so much confidence, so you do your best. But the clients who are always doubting you, even when you're very, very confident, they place doubt in you as well, because they're always complaining about something. So you start second guessing yourself and your skills, and it's not a very good feeling.
I definitely know what exactly I'm doing.
So I should trust you, just trust you today, huh?
This is all about trust.
Okay.
Not about the makeup.
Oh, so today's test is about trust. It's not really about the skill, it's just about the trust.
Yeah.
So what is the reason you're doing this? Is this because you just wanted to bond with your mother?
Yes.
Okay.
This is going to be really hard.
Do you have to touch your other hand as you're doing this?
Because my hand is not steady.
Right, it's okay. Take some of the product, Mama. I feel like you played very little there. Okay. Keep going. Here, add product, Mama. This one, you're not supposed to do dots actually. Let me show you. You're supposed to do this, like here. Yeah, like that.
Then over here, right? It's like painting.
Yeah, it is like painting. It feels like painting her.
The question is,
Yeah.
is it makeup or is it paint?
Oh my God, Reza. Wow.
Have you never ever thought of that? I think of things so quickly.
Do you think we are selling us painting and just calling it makeup?
Skin colored paint.
This is highlighting, Mama. So it has to be lighter than the skin color. Okay. You blend it in, Mama. Now you start. You start with this first, so then you're going to come back here and blend.
Here?
Yeah, you start with that.
I have never blended highlights before.
Oh, how does it feel? And you're supposed to blend it into the foundation, like they're supposed to blend in. We're not supposed to see like the highlighter just standing alone. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Do you like it?
Yes. It really brings out the glow on the forehead.
Okay.
Until you feel like it's right.
Yeah. You satisfied with the blend?
Yes.
Hey!
Sorry.
Don't poke my eye, Mama. Be careful, okay?
I'm really trying.
Don't worry, it's your first time. It is indeed your first time.
So the primer is just supposed to give you the glow on your face, you know?
Primer?
Oh, sorry.
The concealer?
Yeah.
Supposed to highlight.
So it's giving you the glow.
Yeah, you could say that. Yeah, there's another way of putting it.
Such a little bit of it can be so much.
I know. Now you understand why I normally tell my students like a little product goes a long way. Like little product goes a long way. Yeah. Now you see how hard it is to blend, yeah?
I thought it was easy.
Oh, nothing comes easy. Yeah, it has to be like a lot of products because you're going to do like eyeshadow on top of the eyes and then you press it like this. Okay. Yeah, that much product, unfortunately. It has to be that much product. Do you see that?
How is it going to blend?
It is normal. Later on I'll tell you how. Okay. Great. Okay. Be careful. My eyes.
I feel like I used way more product than you did.
And you put it way too down. Too. Okay. Here. Here. You'll be using what is it called?
Eyeliner.
Eyeshadow on this corner here. So we want like, you know why we do this? So when you're doing eyeshadow, it falls onto the border and then you can brush it off. Otherwise it's just stick on the skin. Yeah. Huh?
Just give me one. Yeah.
Okay. Do the same thing with the side. So you start with this one, okay? You do 45 degrees here. Starting from here, you bring it in this side and then in at this side. So this is literally me teaching you, okay? And then after you do that, it gives you a guideline on where exactly to place your contour. So you're going to do this tap, 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 coming down like that. Alright, go. Just now you know. All the way down. Let me see.
Your nose will come out looking a bit sideways.
and then you close here. That space, yeah. Close that space there. Really going to make my nose look wider.
Rudolph, that's it.
Blend it in with this one, okay? On the upper side, you're blending it into the eyeshadow like this. and like that. And then here you just do tap, tap, tap. Go tap, tap, tap. And keep tapping completely until it blends some. I guess anyhow. Class is in session, though. Okay.
But I'm doing this for free.
Okay. You're good? You're satisfied with that? Oh, it looks good actually. Wow. This looks good. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so kudos to you. Kudos to you. However you want to do it, Mama. Provided it looks good, I'm okay. Okay.
I have never done this eyebrows before. All I know is that not all these lines ever.
Lisa, you bring it down? Why is it, what is it doing down here? You're supposed to, oh my god. You know what? Do it. Guys, why is she drawing, she's bringing the eyebrow down here? To do what?
We'll cover that up later. Just pretend like you never saw that.
Oh Lord have mercy on my soul. Today. Hey. Okay, let me not look at myself in the mirror.
Your eyebrows are going to look like the ones from 1950s, you know, the bushy eyebrows, you know. The ones that were
1950s, were they doing bushy eyebrows or very thin eyebrows?
Let's see. You're going to look people from the 2016
maybe. That would actually be 2016, not 2005.
2005, whatever eyebrow matters. Thank you.
Guys, pray for me because
It's going to be the new trending style, you know. Now it's going to be called the Riser Special, you know. Why does this side look better than that side?
Eyebrows are never looking. Did you put anything on the side?
Yes.
On the side?
Yes.
And you're supposed to drag this down after you're done. You're supposed to bring it downwards like that. Like that. But anyway, you tried.
I guess it's falling on today.
I told you that is why we did that thing. Remember?
Yeah, I'm doing like a beachy vibe, you know.
A beachy vibe?
Yeah.
Well, when I open my eyes, I'm going to get a shock of my life, Abby. What? Okay. Okay, remember the battery, Mama, okay? Okay.
I feel like I should do more makeup.
What?
It's so beautiful. You're going to thank me after this.
I'm going to thank you for this.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You know what? It's okay. It is your invention. It is okay. It is okay. Okay, you're done?
Yeah.
Okay, so we do mascara. Press some of that. And then that is what you're going to do to wipe off this excess here. Like that.
So that's how you wear
I did my own
lashes.
yeah.
But you wouldn't trust them.
Not with my eyes. Maybe the skin, yes, but the eyes, no. Wow.
Even the door doesn't trust me with the lip liner.
Should I blend now?
Yes, please.
This is a nice shade. so close. My lord. What? Are you proud of your work?
Yes.
You're very proud.
Yes.
What do you like the most about this look?
The eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Guys, this is what. Okay, she's done now, and that is the look. Let me know what you think. Don't say anything bad. I come for you anyway. Come and say bye to them, guys. Yeah.
Bye. Hopefully you like this beautiful look made by a professional.
Do you think you'd ever do makeup as a profession? No. You're not the one to do makeup as a profession, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, it is okay.
I'll just stick to practicing.
Okay. But yeah, in my opinion, it's not too bad. I was expecting worse than this, so this is a very pleasant surprise, I would say.
Thank you.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching us. Okay, bye.
Bye.